Alright, so when you guys are getting ready to square up a block, you're going to need a variety of different tools to do this successfully. So the first thing you're going to need is obviously a print that gives you an overall size. So right now I just have a size written down, and let's say my print called for a piece that was 1.25 by 1.75 by 2.375. I'd obviously need a piece of stock that's a little bit bigger than that. And so over here I have my piece of stock that I got that when I measure it out, if I measure the thickness, it's supposed to be 1.25, and I have one that's about 1.390, so I know that that's plenty big enough. It gives me about 140 thousandths to take off. My width for this block is about 1.875, so that gives me about 120 thousandths to take off, 125 thousandths to take off from the 1.75, and then my length right now is longer. It's about 2.5, and so I have to get it down to 2.375. So I have enough material in all dimensions to get a nice square block out of it. So the other things you're going to need throughout the process are a set of high parallels. You want them to be almost as tall as the vice jaw. You're going to want a Sharpie marker to label your sides, a dead blow hammer to tap the part down onto the parallels, make sure everything is going to be straight and parallel for us. Your facing cutter that we put the inserts in before, a file, and a measuring kit. So before we get started, what I usually like to do is label the block, sides 1 through 6. Side number 1 is going to be your biggest side, or one of the biggest sides since there's 2 of them. So all I'm going to do is just go ahead and label side number 1. Side number 2 is exactly opposite of that, so the other biggest side. Side number 3 is one of the edges. Side number 4 is the other edge, and it doesn't matter which one is which. Side 5 is one of the ends, and side 6 is the other end. And that's going to give us our order of cutting. So when we go to the machine, we're going to cut side 1 first, then 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we're going to head over to the mill, and I'm going to show you the first couple of sides in the next video.